Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, the 8th wonder of the world.
Today I'm going to talk about Auto Ancillary Company, which has subsidiaries which are into EV space. A long-term investor can have a look at the...
Friends, if you're new here, subscribe and press the bell icon for more notifications from this channel. Hi friends.
The company is engaged in the manufacturing of tools, dials and molds. The company operates in three segments. That is, the first one is steel metal division for manufacturing steel metal components, assemblies and sub-assemblies. Second one is tool room division for manufacturing tools, dies and molds. And the third one is special purpose vehicle division for developing and assembling of SPVs. So the company I'm talking about is JBM Auto. So this is a flagship company of the 2.2 billion US dollars JBM group. The company is a leading manufacturer of auto components, tooling and electric buses in the country. JBM is primarily a tier 1 supplier of key systems and assemblies to automotive OEM industry and caters services to esteemed clients that include Ashok Leyland, Bajaj, Fiat, Chrysler, Ford, Honda, Hero, JCB, Mahindra, Maruti Suzuki, Renault, Nissan, Tata, Toyota, TVS, Volvo, Eicher, Volkswagen and many more. The group has alliance with more than 15 renowned companies globally, which also includes ArcelorMittal, Dassault, Solaris Bus, and Sumitomo, etc. The industry type is auto ancillaries. It has a market capitalization of 6,948 crores, which makes it a mid cap. It has a PE of 69.04 and the industry PE is 52.77, a dividend yield of 0.10%, and the debt equity is 1.41. Return on equity is 11.88. Price to book is 8.90. So the 1 year return has been 317 points, which has outperformed the Sensex by 298% and outperformed the sector by 298%. The latest dividend was paid way back in September 2021, paying 1.5 rupees per share. It has a adjusted beta of 1.20 with Sensex. So talking about the returns over the period of 10 years. So 1 month return has been 28.59%. The stock has been locked on upper circuits for a few days. And 6 month return of 143.52%. And 1 year return of 317. 2 year return of 733. And 3 year return of 450. And 10 year return of 9,571%. Looking at the shareholding pattern, the majority shareholders are the promoters. None of the promoters have pledged their shares. No mutual fund holds shares of the company. It is held by 23 FIs, which contributes to 1.25%. The promoter with the highest holding is CMC Credit Limits, holding 16.35%. The highest public shareholder is Z Implex and Traders Private Limited. Individual investors hold around 12.33%. So when you comparing 2 quarters, the change in the promoters have reduced their shareholding by a very marginal 0.01%, and FIS has increased by 0.05%. No holdings in mutual funds, no holdings in the insurance companies, a negligible holding, and the non-institutional investors also reduced by 0.04%. So the company is into e-mobility, which is a very high growth industry, a promotion from the government. So any investor looking for a long term perspective can invest in the company. Only point the investors can keep in the mind is the company's high debt. So, but other than that, there's a huge potential for the company to grow. As I had mentioned earlier, so in this the JBM had acquired a majority stake in the JBM Green Energies private system and JBM EV Industry Private Limited to the subsidiary, and so this gives an impetus for the company to grow forward. So JBM Green Energy Systems Private Limited and JBM EV Industry Private Limited have become indirect subsidiary of JBM Auto Limited. So, and you can expect the company to leap forward, and I have seen a couple of electric buses plying in Bangalore. Looks like they may be winning more government projects.